在搜寻框上要求 AI 聊天机器人 ChatGPT 撰写一篇论文，不到几秒钟随即生成。不过，身为 ChatGPT 开发商共同创办人的马斯克，则对人工智慧的快速发展再次提出警告。
ChatGPT, I think, has illustrated to people just how advanced AI has become. My concern is that with AI, if there's something bad, if something goes wrong, the reaction might be too slow from a regulatory standpoint. What are the biggest risks to the future of civilization? Is AI.
马斯克认为，人工智慧需要有监管机构进行监管。
I think we need to regulate AI safety, frankly, because if you think of any technology which is potentially a risk to people, we have regulatory bodies that oversee the public safety of cars and planes and medicine. We should have a similar sort of regulatory oversight for artificial intelligence.
而已故英国物理学家霍金2014年曾指出，电影《全面进化》描述一个逐渐失控的 AI， 并不是危言耸听。他指出，人工智慧未来可能会比金融市场还聪明，比科学家更具创意，甚至还有机会研发出人们完全无法理解的武器。新唐人亚太电视陈贤礼、赵廷玉整理报道。